A lot of planning goes into each meal. We know we have a diverse set of eaters at our camps, and we want to make sure we can serve food that folks can eat and that they love. This means that when we're here planning our menus and the food that we make from scratch, we are making sure we have vegan and vegetarian and gluten-free and allergy-sensitive options that don't feel like afterthoughts. We want meals to be filling, and we want you to like the food you eat. It's a little bit of extra work, and it's so worth it to really produce excellent, amazing meals that everyone can be a part of. A skill worth having. This includes baked goods and fun things as well. Our head cook would often make brownies that would just be vegan for everyone because they were really great and every kid would be able to eat them. We trust our cooks to care for a variety of needs, and we make sure they have the skills needed to be successful.